In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a return policy to ShopWired quickly and easily, and I'll also give you an insider look at some of the best alternatives that might serve your business even better. Stick around until the end, and I'll share an exclusive offer for a free trial that could save you time and money. First, let's dive straight into ShopWired. To add a return policy, you'll need to start by navigating to your dashboard. From there, click on the Settings tab in the menu. It's a simple starting point, but a lot of users overlook this, so make sure you're in the right place. Next, head over to the General Settings section. Under this tab, you'll find the option to create a custom page. This is where you can set up the return policy. You'll see an option to create a new page for your terms and conditions or any other policies you need, including the return policy. Add a title and start inputting the details of your return policy in the content editor. It's that easy. The third thing you'll want to do is customize the layout of your return policy page. Make sure it's clear and professional, with headings and bullet points for easy readability. You can even add links to your policy in the footer of your website or within your checkout process, so customers know exactly where to find it. Next, make sure to test the page on mobile. ShopWired is mobile-friendly, but it's always a good idea to double-check the layout on smaller screens. You don't want your customers to have trouble reading your return policy if they're browsing from their phones. Now, if you're wondering about ShopWired's flexibility for adding detailed return terms, I'll be honest, it's not the most intuitive system out there. It's functional, but it can feel a bit clunky, especially if you need to set up advanced return conditions or integrate it with other features like customer notifications or automated processes. But it does work for most businesses, and if you're just adding a standard return policy, you'll be fine. However, before you settle on ShopWired, let's talk about some alternatives that might be a better fit for your needs. One strong competitor is Shopify, which offers a much more streamlined process for adding return policies and automating customer communication. Shopify's system lets you create a return policy page with a few clicks, and you can even automate emails to customers once they request a return. It's a more robust solution, but it comes at a price. Another solid choice is BigCommerce, which is known for its excellent user interface and return policy integration. BigCommerce offers a range of built-in templates and the option to customize them further. Plus, it's generally easier to manage high-volume stores and advanced policies with BigCommerce. So, why would I recommend a competitor? Well, if you're looking for a return policy solution that's not only easy to set up, but also scales with your business, these alternatives might be more suited to your needs. They offer more automation, better support for detailed policies, and smoother integration with other tools you might use. And here's the best part. Through our link, you'll get an exclusive and extended free trial for one of these alternative platforms. If you want a hassle-free way to set up return policies and automate your customer service, these platforms have you covered. The best part? They also offer free trials, so you can test them out risk-free and see how they compare to ShopWired. Check the first link in the description to grab that exclusive free trial and see why so many businesses are making the switch. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.